Is this the best budget mechanical keyboard? Let's check out the $65 Hermes M4. First impressions, it is a little light, but this metal top plate looks really nice. This comes with red switches, but if you do want to change it out for something else, it's super easy as it is 5-pin hot swap. If we plug it in, we can see it has some nice backlighting with several modes. However, it is a static color backlight, so you can't really change the color of each keys, it's always going to be rainbow like this. As for the actual typing experience, the stock stabilizers do feel pretty good, and if you prefer your keyboard at an angle, it does have feet you can put up. Sound-wise, I think it could sound good with either some extra dampening or with heavier PBT keycaps. So overall, I don't think it's a terrible option, but it could definitely do some modding to bring out its full potential.